Yes, all of you are joining. Yeah. Now, I was concentrating on this one, Siban Federal Bank. Yeah. Shall we take up another topic?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We will take up another. All of you have come, or somebody else has to come? Sachin, everybody has come.
I think so.
Pallavi has come.
Yes, sir.
Shubham, that Prajwal has not come, na?
Yes, Prajwal is here.
Prajwal has come. Prajwal has come. Good, good. Very good. Now the next topic is, in my view, for example, importance of being happy for success. Very simple topic. Everybody can talk. Importance of being happy for ensuring success. Now, we will initiate with our Shubham Gupta first. Shubham Gupta, please come for half a minute.
Good evening, all of you. As we have got the topic of happiness, which happiness is a feeling which comes from inside when we do good things. When we are happy, we have an extra of energy and we can do the work more efficiently and more in a good manner as compared to when we are not having good feelings or we are in negative zone.
Good. Next, we'll start. Next will be
Yeah.
Sachin. Sachin, please talk on importance of being happiness for achieving.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Not for, I think not for only achieving the success is happiness is important. Happiness is always important because I think the success is just related to happy feelings. Because success is itself a positive attitude, and for that positive attitude being in the life, happiness is required.
Good. Good.
I
good.
agree with Sachin.
Yeah. Next. Continue.
I agree with Sachin. As we know, when we are tackling with any challenge, we always fight for the success. And the even it's a incomplete statement without the happiness. Even the success, we are fighting for the success because of we want happiness.
Happiness.
Yeah.
Yes,
next.
I agree with all of you guys. Success, it is a process, and process is all about our happiness. If we are happy, then we plan well and implement well. So success is directly proportional to the happy. That's about myself.
Very good. Lakan, can you speak?
Yes, sir. There is.
Rathod afterwards. Lakan.
Yeah, there is no doubt that success is very important part of life, and without happiness, success is for the success. Happiness is the priceless emotion, and happiness is the top of all the parameters. Therefore, people who achieve success, and if they are not happy, then they are missing joys of life. Therefore, it is very important to be happy for success.
Yeah. The topic, Jishnu, is this: happiness is a must for ensuring success in life. That's all. Jishnu, புரிஞ்சுதா? மனசிலாயோ?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, Lakan Rathod, speak.
Yes, sir. I consider that, sir, happiness is an ingredient which will be helpful to make a recipe of success, because happiness provides a motivation to a person, and it will increase his productivity and also his thinking ability, and it will give him some sort of energy to achieve its goal.
Good. Next. Anybody? Next. Come on. Who?
Sir, according to me, happiness is more important than success. There is no doubt that success is very important part of our life. But if the person is not happy, then I think he is not successful, because he will be missing every important joy in his life. So happiness is a priceless emotion, and that is really important.
Good.
Okay. I agree
Yes,
with
I
you,
too.
Yeah.
but it's not about our happiness. It's about how we can happy for friends and family also. If we are happy, it's good. It's about success. But happy is about our family happiness, our friends happiness. So we have to distribute happiness and create happiness in terms of our environment. Thank you.
Yeah,
I want to
I
add
agree
here one
with.
point. I want to add here one point that when we are when we are looking for the happiness, even we know in many regions we think that they are the successful people, but they are suffering from the depression and many more mental illness. So I think the main motto is happiness. On what we should focus.
I want to add one point that happiness is of two types. One is physical nature and one which comes from internal. So one should focus on the happiness which comes from his internal consciousness as compared to physical happiness. As example, we get good food, good clothes is an external happiness. But when we help others, it's an internal happiness which comes from inside.
Good. Anybody else?
According to me, the definition for the success for everyone will be a different. Okay. So according to me, the success is a destination, and we are in the journey to achieve it. So it will be a no loss to be happy in this journey.
Very good.
It will be a.
I would like to.
Mm.
I would like to add one more point that happiness is just a state of being. It is a state of mind. So irrespective of whether we are successful or unsuccessful, whether we attain the daily goal or not, it is one's important thing to keep ourselves happy. So it will reflect to the surroundings also.
Very good. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Next topic. How to handle fake news. See, the more of what is this? Say more TV, more newspaper, etc., more internet has resulted in creating of fake news. And how do we handle this fake news? For example, Jisnu Sri Kumar, what is happening in Tamil Chennai now? Is it raining more or not? Yesterday, that weatherman told there will be more rains today. Is it raining now in Malappuram?
Yes, sir. Currently, as of now, not. There is not much rain comparing.
Yeah, weatherman, of course, he is not giving a fake news. He is giving a report that there will be more rains and all that. Now, question is, this is very not so easy topic, but discuss how, as an individual, we should deal with fake news. How, as government, fake news should be handled. Now, to start with, we will give chance to Nikhil Wagh. Try.
Good evening, everyone. This is Nikhil Wagh. So today's our topic is how to handle fake news. First of all, we should avoid social media platform. If we yes, if we start our day with WhatsApp and Instagram, the first story is about the news, what happenings there and what happenings there. So we should avoid social media. And if we look about the government scheme, there are some artificial intelligence implemented in our India to eliminate the fake news. Also, some YouTube channels like Abhiyan Menu, so they can cover it what exactly the news happens in. First of all, if the fake news is we listen, then we should wait for the one day or 2 days. Then we can get the what exactly the news in our surrounding. Thank you. That's about myself.
Very good.
I would like
Nikhil's
to
comment. I respect the Nikhil's comment, but
the,
according to me, eradicating the social media will not be a solution for this. First of all, we should know what is the fake news. The fake news is which is not real and creating some disturbances in the society. So at the same time, this fake news should be rectified as its source. For example, it is coming from the WhatsApp now, so WhatsApp should have a department to rectify its source. So it will be not out to the society.
Next, Jishnu.
Yeah,
Before while we are concluding that whether it is a fake news or not, one should always do some research on behind the topic, how much genuinity is there in the news. So one should always refer both social media, news, and also use some little bit of common sense whether these things will be happening or not.
Very good. Next, our Lakan.
Yes, sir.
Simple Lakan. Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
agree with
Not Rathod.
okay,
Lakan.
go Lakan. Talk.
Lakan.
I completely agree with the Sambasivan.
Yeah.
We should check the genuinity of the fact that we are going viral, that some news or any facts. Therefore, we should not viral any unauthentic topic or any unauthentic video without confirmation of it, and hence we can stop fake news on social media.
I'm partially agree that social media has its own contribution in the fake news, but social media is not the only culprit in this. So instead of taking controls over the social media and all these things, which is not that easy, not that much easy. So we should use our consciousness and try to find its authenticity and put our emotional quotient on at right time at right position.
Good. Next.
According to me, sir, we are on the level that we have to eradicate fake news individually, and the government. So what should we do? So individually, it is the best point that Vishnu placed, that we should use our common sense, and at the level of government, they should make some provisions rectified at its source, because as we compare the social media with the newspaper has no any fake news in the newspaper, and as compared to social media, because there are no restrictions and it is not that much easy to be in the boundaries of laws.
Very good. Pallavi?
Yeah, I agree with Sachin that we should have deal with this fake news in two levels. As an individual level, we have to first verify it. If it is not authenticated, we should not forward it to someone. Or if someone forwarded us, we should tell him that it's a fake news and you should not promote it. And the point of government, we can use the artificial intelligence to filter out the news which are circulating in far more speed than actual news.
And yes, the WhatsApp has done that. If the news is forwarded many times, it is shown at that this news is forwarded many times, and we can rectify that it may be a fake news.
Yeah, Pallavi.
I agree with you all of
Yes,
you guys.
sir.
Sachin and Shubham.
Pallavi, Nikhil, wait.
Yes.
Pallavi, let us
Okay.
speak. Yeah.
So according to me, social media plays a very vital role in our day-to-day life. We cannot neglect a social media, but just by choosing right resources, we can avoid this fake news. And by imbibing values in the children and teaching them the right choosing content, this fake news we can avoid.
Good. Nikhil?
Yes. Yes, I agree with Sachin and Shubham. So there are some artificial intelligence work on this field. Also, the newspaper are the best source for we can get a genuine news. So that's about myself.
Yeah, no. We can even use statements like this.
Okay.
Say the social media should be banned, or regulation should be there more on social media. Government is already attempting on that, there was a lot of problem with Twitter and LinkedIn and other areas. Facebook.
I think Twitter and Facebook took steps for that. They are using, I think, the green tick means if that
yes, for the bright profiles.
Yeah.
For the genuine profiles.
And in fact, somebody told me that if you switch off Facebook for 5 days, you will become sane. Instead of becoming insane, you will become sane, because too much of not correct news is coming in social media, especially WhatsApp and also Facebook. So very good. So you handled this question nicely. Is there any other topic in your mind which you want to take up for discussion?
I think we should take some situational topic.
Situational topic. Okay.
Yes, sir. Situational topics.
Yeah, I will give you. No problem.
Like exactly in previous batch.
Yeah. It may be helpful for you. Yeah. This was what was given yesterday also. Yeah, a corporate company gives you a job at a higher salary, whereas a startup is offering a low salary. In the corporate firm, you will have more opportunities for improving your skills. Whereas in a
I
startup,
think, sir,
sorry, no,
yesterday we
reverse.
discussed it, and even YouTube, you put it on YouTube.
Yeah,
That
but
was the same topic.
and that, so okay, next one. Um, all these topics only whatever was given only it is there. Any other topic you have come across in other forums?
Maybe Sachin have.
Acha,
No,
acha.
I have the 7 topics, sir, and I think all were covered.
Yeah. What about 7 or 8 topics only are there? ABC bank.
Sachin,
Yeah.
yesterday's topic that was very hard. We discussed that nuclear power plant. Can you put it
Yes,
here?
Lakhan can put, I think. Lakhan.
We can discuss this one, which today or yesterday came. Mr. ABC company A is hardworking person and takes 20 days. Can we take
yes,
this?
yes.
Yeah. You take it up. But I think we discussed, but still we will take it up. Come on.
The AI has given the answer for that question, I think.
Yeah. So there is
so
no.
we should take or not?
There is no.
Yes,
we can take it up.
We should go.
There is no definite answer for all these questions. It is only an attempt to speak.
Yes,
yeah. Okay. You initiate. The person who knows the question initiate. No problem.
Just read, sir. Once read. Yeah.
Pardon?
Read, sir.
You are the manager of an ABC company. Mr. A, B is your subordinates. Mr. A is hardworking person, works late hours and takes 20 days to complete a project. On the other hand, prefers smart work. He thinks creatively, prioritize his work and able to complete the project in 15 days. On detailed analysis of the work done by your subordinates, you found that accuracy of work done by Mr. A is better than Mr. B. Now you need to choose either Mr. A or Mr. B for a project which needs to be completed in 17 days.
Continue.
Okay, good evening everyone. This is Nikhil. So today's topic is we should focus on the accuracy or smart work. So after that, according to me, I choose Mr. A because organization need accuracy and the well-planned man. So I thought the a person should I'll choose.
I don't think so, because there is not mention that the organization needs accuracy. It's mentioned that the work should be done in the 17 days. So we can go with the B, but according to me, the question is that we have to choose either A or B. So it will be a good that that there will be a smart work, the days should be come, and there should be a little less accuracy. We can go with the person B.
Yeah, next.
I disagree with Sachin slightly, because if we hire the person which is speedy and not done the work accurately, the client will have the problem.
There is no mention that the person B is speedy and he is not working well. There is a statement that he is smart work and the person B A is a hard working. So it will be beneficial to be a smart.
No, but the work should be done properly. There is no means if one is smart and the work is not done properly.
It doesn't mean that smart work people doesn't do the work.
In question there is that the work which done is B is not properly, it's not accurate, and the work should be accurate.
It is not mentioned there, I think. Is it
Guys,
it will directly impact the goodwill of that company. If that work is not properly done, that will impact its that company's image or the reputation as well.
A single condition I am seeing in the question that the work should be done in the 17 days.
No, but there is a condition that Mr. B.
There is an assumption. There is an assumption.
In this question, there is a statement that Mr. A is more accurate than Mr. B. So I think we should go with accuracy, because if we don't give the accurate work, the customer will not be satisfied.
So
I would like to interfere with this. What Sachin said was exactly correct, I think so, because even though there can be little bit compensation in accuracy, the work should be completed within the deadline. If the deadline exceeds, it will be a huge loss, and for future coming projects might also be stopped for the
And there
company.
will be no reason
So
for
I
the
think,
accuracy. No?
yeah. So the accuracy won't be matter at if the project crosses the deadline.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right,
But
Jishnu.
if
But
the-
we have to take the customer point of view also. If the customer want the work in specified time only, then you will choose B. But
Yes, if
if
you
you
want.
want an accurate one, then only you can go with A. Because
Yeah,
according-
exactly, Lakan. The days is being mentioned as 17 days, so which means that
Yeah.
customer needs it within the 17 days.
17
So that is
days.
why I
but,
suggested we go with it.
I think
but
it is depend on the
you
company.
should,
Means like
inform
company like a
customer.
Mercedes who want the perfection, that company should go with the A. And if the company is like Tata Motors, where a little bit accuracy or defects should be tolerated, that time we can go with the B. It depends on the
Okay,
That's
Pallavi
right.
has also
Yes,
point.
according to
Yeah.
me, we cannot take the risk just by selecting B person as he is smart enough. But accuracy plays a really important role. So
Yes.
it is the company's reputation question arises here. So though we are giving late to the customer, but accuracy will be really important for his
No,
satisfaction.
I'm not agree, because if he needs the machine, for example, we are manufacturing a machine, if he needs that machine on the 18th day, so and after we are providing with a great 100% accuracy on the 19th day, what he will do with that machine?
No,
Just
Sachin, but
slightly
you have
agree
to
with you
provide
But
that constant to
if
the
machine
customer also.
didn't work, so
But
what
Okay,
will
you
be
have to provide.
but we have to go with the priorities. Now it is his priority. The order list is for to us, because he might know that the company will provide us with within the 17 days. His priority is time. If he has priority as the accuracy, he may mention that we require accuracy, and you can take
it is
one.
our responsibility to
So we are not
give them right
tolerating that
product.
accuracy. Now. We are not tolerating his accuracy. Now we are going with the B also. He is smart. He that he will not at all work without accuracy.
Sorry for interrupt, guys. Actually, organization needs customer satisfaction. If the customers are satisfied, then they should mouth marketing. So our customer ultimately get another projects. So
Yes,
I should both points are, they have positive and negative side. But after the customer satisfaction, according to me, the point A will be I'll choose. The person A I'll choose.
As
I
Nikhil
agree
said, there
with
is
slightly.
the second aspect come. Second aspect is that with the quality and the accuracy, the cost as well as increase. Everyone knows when we go for the quality or the accuracy, the cost of that product might be get increased. So we should be optimum. We should be optimum.
I slightly differ and slightly agree with Sachin that we should prioritize the customer's view. But if we want to give accurate and a good result, then we should communicate this condition to customer that if he want on 17 days without a little bit accuracy, then we can give it on 17 days. But if we want accurate product, then we will take some delay, but we will give an accurate service. So what
It
was
will be
the
older, yes.
customer's response? We will
According
act
to
upon
me,
it.
customer will tell us that work should be accurate and it should be within deadline. Customer will not tell directly us that.
So according to me,
Customer will not agree for a delay also. Good.
Yes.
Very nice. All of
Yes.
you talk.
I would like to add a small point to all these points which is being projected by our dear friends. It is what that B works creatively. He thinks creatively. So he knows that he does not have accuracy just like A. So he might have found some way to compensate with the accuracy, and who knows, later on he might provide that accuracy with an additional support after that 17th day. He could provide an assistance. He can contact that customer and said, I will be providing you 24/7 assistance in case of any defect in accuracy. So the project will be completed in 17 days.
Sufficient. जिष्णु आपने ज्यादा बात करते हैं, इतना बात तो नहीं करना है.
Okay.
Briefly बताना है. समझ गया?
Okay. Yes,
so
sir.
you must talk briefly, and you have the ability to communicate, but don't talk more. Achha, so this point has been discussed very well. So it's only a question of saying either perfection or not imperfection, a sort of smart working and this thing. So you can choose
innovation
any one.
and hard work.
Yeah, you can
Creativity
choose
and
any
hard
one.
work.
You can choose anything and talk, but you must talk for 30 seconds. That's all. Whether you
Okay.
are you keeping yourself away from the crowd? That is what is seen. For example, Lakan, simple Lakan is talking very less. Simple Lakan Yam.
Sir, I would like
Ah.
I would like to hear your points on this topic, sir.
No, that's what I said.
Yeah,
Here
I
there is no such right or wrong answer for such of these questions. You
There are
can choose.
two.
You can choose any way and argue for or against. It is like, say, all of us are like blind people. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa called the four, say disciples, blind disciples, to go and see the elephant and report to him what it is. One person went and touched the leg, another person touched the trunk, another person touched the ear. Same thing is happening here. All of us are reading the same point, but reading it with different perception or different idea in our mind. But that perception should be positive and you must be able to communicate properly. Just because you want to talk more, you can't take a negative stand and then do it also. That is all. All of you are talking very well. There is no problem. Except that Lakan was keeping quiet for longer time. Lakan, what is your degree?
Sir, BE Mechanical.
Oh, okay. Which year did you complete?
2020.
First question for you will be, why do you want to come to Federal Bank from mechanical engineering? We will discuss about that afterwards. I wish all of you should get selected to the next round of interview, wherein also I think I have already given you the link of materials as
Yes,
in
sir.
our group. So you can start reading them. You can read the banking material. You can read current affairs and soft skills also, so that you can fare it better.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you please provide a small light on the face-to-face interview?
That I will do it afterwards, or not this.
Yeah, sure,
You
sure.
will,
Yes.
you will come again on some other time. I will post it in our group itself for all the people selected.
Okay.
We will have a common session like this, and you need to pay 100 rupees only. Those who have already paid 200, you are not paying any money for this Federal Bank for a robotic interview. For the next stage, you may be paying 100 rupees per day when you come for discussion. For first few days only, you may have to come. I will tell you what is banking, what is deposits, what is advances. If you listen to that, take down notes, possibly it may be helpful for you to give your answers easily when you are asked to tell. We can do it this way, either this way or through YouTube also. It depends. I have posted a lot of YouTube videos on all these concepts. All these concepts, if you go and search in my channel, banking awareness, you will get every topic, savings bank, current account, debit card, like that, everything will be there. So we can discuss about it later on. Jishnu Shri Kumar, what is your father?
Sir, my father works in security services in Larsen and Toubro.
Larsen and Toubro. Good. What is your degree?
Sir, I have completed my aeronautical engineering, sir. 2021 passed out.
Hare Baba, aeronautical engineering. But everything comes to nowadays because of lack of job opportunities. All of us are forced to come here. Doesn't matter. Excellent. You all participated very well, uniformly. So I wish all of you should get selected like Shambasiva. Like that, Adira also got selected. Neha also got selected. Balaji selected. Then Shambasiva selected. Sachin,
it boosts my confidence that you told that Sambasiva had not that much skill in communication.
Yeah, he was not. I told him straight away also, but he has been able to do it well. So, Sachin, have you come across somebody who has not been selected and who has
No, sir, no.
Who has
I had not heard any news because no, sir. No,
No.
one was rejected.
No one has been rejected, known to us.
I
Very
think
good.
the first day, the person, 6 to 7 persons were in the meeting. I think all of them selected.
Very good. Pallavi,
In the first.
your performance has
Yes, sir.
improved a lot. Your performance
you,
has
sir.
improved a lot because whenever you want to catch attention, you bring a type of voice that catches your attention. Everybody stops and listening. Similarly, Shubham Gupta, you are doing very well. Jishnu, for
Thank
the
you, sir.
first time participation, you are doing well. Prajwal, always good. And Nikhil, also nice. Sachin, of course, is good. Only caution is Sachin should talk less.
Yes.
Sachin,
Yes.
I hope you understand. Here you are playing the role of a sub leader. That is okay. Whereas in a real interview, when you go, आप थोड़ा कम बात बोलना है बस.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't feel sad. Why your face has become so sad?
No, sir, no.
All the best. Thank you so much.
Sir, I just want to suggest, sir, the video you uploaded on the YouTube last night. So it doesn't have any output, sir. I think it was not a good discussion. So if you can remove this and upload this discussion, it will be better.
I will remove that.
I
I will
think.
remove that. No problem.
No,
I will remove it.
No, sir. But sir, you should upload this.
This one also I
if
will
you
upload.
record it.
Both. Today we have got
Yes,
two.
sir, we don't have any objection. Just we are
Yes, sir.
asking your
We
consent,
don't
if possible.
have. Yes, sir.
I will remove
We
it.
don't have any objection, sir.
For me also no objection. I will remove it. I will.
No, sir. But
No. All
you
this.
can.
This I was playing it so that people come to know of this. That
Yes,
was
sir.
the reason. That purpose.
You can upload this on both videos, sir. No problem.
That purpose has been served, and in that, of course, our Pallavi was seen very nicely. Pallavi, Sachin, myself, we were all looking as
Sir,
heroes.
you can upload this video. You can upload sure.
This one and the previous one also. Today morning,
Yes, sir. No problem.
We'll load
Yes,
them.
yes.
I will remove that. Don't worry. I will do it, and we will meet again after your results. I think there is no need for meeting again. When is your interview, Sachin?
20, sir. At 20 at noon.
20. What about Shubham?
Sir, 20, 5:30 p.m.
So what about Prajwal?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Sir, please bless me.
All the best. Blessings and good wishes. Pallavi, which date?
20 November, sir.
20. Achha. Jishnu?
Sir, 19th November, 6:15 p.m.
Very good. What about Nikhil?
28th November, sir, 10:30.
Then Lakan?
Sir, tomorrow.
Tomorrow 3:15.
Tomorrow. Achha, these two people will not be there. Otherwise, what we can do, Sachin, we can have a similar Zoom session for only one session, 40 minutes only, and during which time we can you can raise doubts or you can clarify your points also. The object is all of us are going to communicate in English. Whatever we speak, we will talk in English, irrespective of the, say, the title and all. Title is not needed. So what I suggest, you go through all the questions that have been asked, prepare your own answers. So you come out. So this is my observation regarding this question. Or you read newspaper, and from newspaper, you try to speak out what have you learned. Okay. So that the idea is communicate in English for 40 minutes tomorrow. And what is your name? Sachin, is it okay for us to have it at 6:20 tomorrow? Slightly delayedly, only 40 minutes. Is it okay?
I think Sachin left.
Sachin left, no problem. I will put
Yes, we will communicate, sir.
Yeah, 6:20, same Zoom ID.
ID and password.
Yeah, please
Okay,
use and come 6:20. And if you are, you have my number with you, that WhatsApp number, you can also message. Okay.
Sir, I want to ask something.
Yeah.
Is my camera placement and light is okay, or I should?
No, for you it is fine. It is fine. For you it is fine. Jishnu also nice. Prajwal also good. Nikhil also nice. Nikhil, thoda behind some black is there. Is this good? Is this good, or some lighter color will be good? Please check up.
Okay,
like,
sir.
yeah, like this white, I am looking better. So please take care of that. And
Okay, definitely, sir.
Prajwal, are you going to have this background for interview?
No, sir. This is for an Google Meet. Means it is different for the MS Teams.
Yeah. Now for her, it is good. For Pallavi, it is okay. I think behind she has got some mosaic tiles, this thing and all. It's fine.
Yes, sir.
Fine. And for you also, it is fine. Some whiteboard. Sachin, whiteboard is there. Fine. But only my comment is about Nikhil Wag only, where black behind you have black. आपको थोड़ा कम लगता है, थोड़ा देख लीजिए, ठीक है?
All right, definitely, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow we
Thank
are
you.
meeting at 6:20.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only one round. One round
Yes, sir.
we will talk. Thank you.
Sir, I had doubt.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Sir, please give me feedback.
No, feedback is all of you are uniformly talking above average level. There is no problem. All of you are able to talk very well. There is some of us who can talk very well. Some of us is talking well, but everybody is above average. And I don't think there should be any problem in your being selected. And everything is in God's hands. Sometimes what we think easy becomes tough. So that is why it is not in our hands. So be confident. Nikhil, you are
Yes,
doing
sir.
well. You are doing well.
Sir, I think if the topic is not repeated, it will be difficult for me. I don't know why, but
It will be
I
repeated.
think that-
100% repeated topics. That is why Federal Bank says don't use our information in any forum and all that. They have told you in GD, you know. In fact, yesterday that Adira and Nega, they requested me to remove the video I had posted. I removed it. So similarly, you wanted this to be removed, we can remove it. It's not a problem.
No, sir, not
Here-
for that reason.
here-
Yes, sir.
Here, this cannot be
Not for that
questioned.
reason, sir.
Yeah, here this cannot be questioned because we are discussing general topic only. Mostly general topic we are discussing for improving our communication ability. Okay. That is the object of this session. Improving communication ability in English. And that's what it is. And you have all done it very well. Best wishes. Next, only 2 minutes time is there. If you want, you talk, nothing wrong. Pallavi, talk something. Pallavi, what are your strengths?
Pardon me?
What are your strengths?
Strength, sir. I can say I am a quick learner.
Hmm.
I like to learn new things,
Hmm.
and I'm not prepared, sir.
Not prepared. But one thing, I really appreciate Pallavi for being only one girl among the group of all boys. You managed very well. Good. What is your
Thank you,
degree?
sir.
What is your degree? Engineering.
Sir, engineering, instrumentation and control.
Oh, there you would have managed many boys. Huh?
Yes, sir.
That's right. Now, Jishnu, please tell your strengths. What happened? Jishnu gone.
Sir,
Strength.
I'm only. Sir, I would say that my greatest trait is that attention to details, and what my friends and colleagues will always give feedback is that I can be counted upon to finish what I have started. So I think these both are my strengths.
Not bad. Good. Sachin, strengths.
Yes, sir. Talking about my strength, sir, I think I can lead the team with the tool of motivation. And as the Jishnu said that whatever I take to complete, I will surely complete, and I with the accuracy without contributing any hazard to the society.
In fact, the credit for this session entirely goes to Sachin. But for him, we would not have assembled like this at 6 o'clock in the mornings. So that way, thank you. Now, Subham, your strengths quickly. Only 1 minute time is there. 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
I am a quick learner, sir, and I like to make friends. And I like to make friends.
Stop. Next, Nikhil.
Yes, I am a self-motivated person, and I also motivate others in my team.
Rathod.
I also have.
Yes, sir.
Rathod.
Good observer, and easy to settle at any place.
Very good. Prajwal Chavan, Are you there? Not
Yes,
yet.
sir.
Yeah, speak,
Yes, sir.
speak.
Sir,
Speak.
I'm enthusiast as well as I like challenges and innovations.
Very good. Lakan, M, are you there online?
Okay, sir. I am a very good team player,
Hmm.
quick learner.
Hmm.
I can say honesty is one of my best strength,
Hmm.
and also I am little bit creative.
Very good. Thank you. Best wishes. I'll close with this. I'm very